Hey everyone, OPPO has consistently impressed with its design-forward approach, and the upcoming Find X8 looks set to continue this tradition. At a recent unveiling by Zhou Yibao, the packaging for the Find X8 was revealed, giving a clear nod to the brand's minimalist aesthetic. The box sports a sleek gray and white color scheme with a traditional lid and base appearance. Simple yet refined, it reflects OPPO's focus on clean lines and functional elegance. Inside, standard peripherals like a supercharger, data cable, and phone case are included. Though the star of the show, the phone itself, remains hidden for now. From what we've seen so far, the OPPO Find X8 appears to adopt a design philosophy similar to premium competitors like the iPhone. It boasts a symmetrical, ultra-narrow bezel display that gives it a striking modern look. The device is thinner and lighter than its predecessor, the Find X7, weighing just 190 grams and measuring a slim 7mm thick. The Find X8 is expected to have a high-end metal frame paired with a glass back, giving it a premium feel while maintaining durability. With an IP68 or 69 rating for dust and water resistance, this smartphone is as robust as it is elegant. The Hasselblad logo prominently displayed on the packaging suggests that OPPO continues its collaboration with the renowned camera brand, a partnership that has consistently elevated its device's photography performance. The Find X8 is expected to come with a 6.5-inch BOE display, featuring ultra-narrow bezels that are equal on all sides, contributing to its refined symmetry. Its 1.5K resolution should provide crisp visuals, perfect for everyday use, multimedia, and gaming. The phone also features an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient access. Performance-wise, the Find X8 is expected to be powered by the Dimensity 9 4000 chipset, making it a powerhouse for processing tasks, gaming, and multitasking. Backing up this performance is a sizable 5,700 mAh battery, supporting both 80-watt cable charging and 50-watt magnetic wireless charging, making it highly convenient for on-the-go charging needs. One of the most exciting features is the 50 megapixels Sony LYT600 periscope telephoto lens, which is expected to be part of the phone's triple camera setup. OPPO's collaboration with Hasselblad promises to deliver high-quality photography, especially for telephoto shots, although it's worth noting that macro capability is absent. Still, photography enthusiasts will likely appreciate the powerful periscope lens for capturing distant subjects with clarity. The OPPO Find X8 will reportedly come with an alert slider and a virtual pressure-sensitive button, adding to its usability. It will run Android 15 with ColorOS 15, offering users the latest software experience. The OPPO Find X8 is shaping up to be a flagship contender that blends minimalist design with powerful features. Its sleek, lightweight body, cutting-edge chipset, high-quality display, and advanced camera technology suggest that OPPO is continuing its strong legacy in the smartphone market. If the rumored release date holds true, we can expect the Find X8 to hit shelves shortly after October 21st, following OPPO's developer conference on October 17th. For fans of premium smartphones that balance aesthetics and performance, the OPPO Find X8 could be a must-have device in 2024. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.